So tell us about your experience at the recent Bitcoin Association hackathon.
Well, it was a phenomenal experience. I mean, it was great to try to develop something in such a short amount of time that would contribute to the BSV community. It was tough, obviously, but we enjoyed it immensely.
As two newbies into the Bitcoin world, we found it challenging, but definitely rewarding to actually build something working in just 48 hours. So it's been curvy, a roller coaster of an experience, but it's been worth it.
Amazing. So tell us about Codugh. What is it actually does? What is it designed for?
Well, Codugh is a marketplace where API developers can post APIs, and then API consumers can then browse that marketplace and choose an API that suits their specific needs, and then they can pay per call in BSV to use that API.
You can think of it a bit like the Airbnb for developers. So they've written all this code, they produce all this information, now they want to actually earn money from it. Right now it's really hard to do that with today's payment methods like Visa and MasterCard because it gets pretty expensive just to make one transaction. Using BSV, we can now make microtransactions, which actually allows developers who've just written up something in their bedroom to actually start earning some money from it. And it's built a brand new market in a place that's previously not possible.
It sounds very good. And this is only meant for developers, if I understood it correctly.
Yeah, so our market is generally, both consumers and developers in our case, will usually be developers by trade.
Okay. So is it ready to go? Like, can it be used at the moment? Or is there any growth curve happening there, or anyone can actually use it now?
No, not quite yet. So it's still in development. We've got the 48 hours of code and some build off from there, and we hope to release it in the near future.
And what are those new features that you may add to improve this new project, this idea?
So I think right now we're just revising exactly how we're going to make money from it, the business model, and how we can make it fair for both the users, but also make it a sustainable business. The last thing we want to do is run off donations because that's not sustainable in the long term. But in the end, our fundamental goal is to, create economic opportunity for developers. So if we're driven by that last key mission, we know that the features we do build, in the end, will definitely benefit our users.
Have you thought of the actual monetization scheme or strategy for this?
Yes, we have a preliminary one, but we've decided over time that we would like to develop it and flesh it out a bit more to make it perfect.
Amazing. And anything else we should all look forward to from you guys, from Codugh?
Just follow us on Twitter at Codugh to stay in tune and for updates.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, and congratulations for making it to the final. So we'll see who gets to win this one, and maybe we'll interview again. Right?
All right.
All right. Good luck, guys.
Thanks very much.